On July 27, 2023, at 8:48 a.m., Sergeant Wesley Smith of the Crittenden County Sheriff's Office reported a stolen vehicle in Gilmore. The nearest unit responded quickly. Upon arrival, the unit spotted a black Cadillac CTS fleeing at speeds over 100 miles per hour. After executing a Piet maneuver that caused the car to spin, the suspect regained control and continued fleeing. A second TVI maneuver forced the vehicle into a ditch, disabling it. The two suspects fled on foot into a wooded area. A drone and K-9 unit were deployed, and commands for surrender were issued. They were eventually apprehended and taken into custody, thanks to the coordinated efforts of law enforcement agencies. While on patrol, he received reports of a vehicle violating traffic laws and endangering others. He quickly began tracking the suspect. During the pursuit, the suspect made dangerous maneuvers, including sudden braking and sharp turns.
Which way you go there at the tape. Back off of him, let him slow down. He is turning toward the school. He turned just before he got to the school, going towards the exit.
Eventually, the suspect's vehicle collided head-on with the officers. After the collision, the officer promptly apprehended the suspect and ensured safety. Despite sustaining minor injuries, he remained focused on his duties. The suspect received medical attention before being taken into custody for processing.
Hands now! Show me those hands! Hands!
A surprising chase began when officers received a report of a female driver fleeing from an FHP traffic checkpoint, suspected of being under the influence of alcohol. When signaled to stop, the driver initially pulled over but fled as officers approached to check her vehicle documents. The pursuit ensued, fraught with danger. The suspect traveled only about a mile before colliding with a utility pole. The impact caused significant damage and an electrical malfunction, leading to an explosion. Concerned for her safety, officers conducted a search of the vehicle, only to find that the suspect had already exited. Fortunately, she was unharmed and was swiftly apprehended. We promptly called for assistance to handle this dangerous situation. A fire extinguishing operation was carried out. However, the girl had destroyed all her belongings. In Los Angeles, a wild police chase unfolds as officers pursue a suspect in a stolen SUV. The chase weaves through the busy streets of Long Beach and Lakewood, with the suspect recklessly speeding through red lights, swerving into oncoming traffic, and narrowly avoiding collisions. At one point, a passenger jumps from the vehicle and is quickly taken into custody, leaving the driver alone. LAPD units and a helicopter follow closely, awaiting the right moment for a PIT maneuver. Despite several close calls, the suspect continues evading officers, even jumping curbs and grazing parked cars. Eventually, the driver abandons the vehicle and makes a desperate run through a residential neighborhood. The LAPD gives chase on foot, and with the suspect running out of steam, it's only a matter of time before officers close in. A high-speed pursuit on the 405 freeway came to a dramatic end with a violent crash into the center divider. The chase, involving a white sedan, reached speeds exceeding 120 miles per hour as it weaved recklessly in and out of traffic. The vehicle had sped from the Escondido Canyon area, eventually crashing near Panorama City. The intense collision scattered debris across the freeway, but fortunately did not involve other vehicles. As California Highway Patrol officers arrived on the scene, guns drawn, they approached the vehicle cautiously. One individual, the driver, emerged from the sedan and was quickly taken into custody without needing medical assistance. Despite the dangerous speed and reckless driving, no other vehicles were struck, and the driver appeared uninjured. The suspect now faces multiple charges, including felony evading. Thank you for always accompanying the channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Turn on notifications to continue enjoying the upcoming interesting videos. Goodbye and see you again soon.